Hello everyone, welcome to Teen Alpha. Today I will guide you through how to join Aptos Incentivized Testnet 3. Okay, this video is just a tutorial help, not financial advice. Please do your own research before making any investment. Okay, let's get started. Now you head into this link, aptos.dev/node/AIT/AIT3. I will put this link on the description of this video. Okay, and now we can read about the AIT3 program, about the days, what news in AIT3, and the steps how to join the AIT3. Okay, let's get started. First, you have to notice that the new Petra Aptos wallet is only supported by Chrome browser, so you should use Chrome browser for all the AIT tasks. Okay. Okay, you can now you can see the summary steps. Okay, detailed steps here. Okay, let's navigate to the community page and follow the step by signing into Discord and okay, before and then we go to step 2, connect wallet. If you already installed a version of Aptos wallet before, you have to delete that, and now you have to follow the instruction here to install the new one. Okay, let's go to the page and download it. Here you can download the latest Aptos extension wallet, and you save to desktop. Okay, and then extract them. Okay, and then on a new tab, open on a new tab or window, type this, hit copy, then enter. Yeah, and then we hit developer mode on and load unpack it. Choose this folder and select. Now you have a Petra Aptos wallet on extension. Let's pin it in and get started and create a new Aptos wallet for you. Okay. When have you done create your Aptos wallet, and then you head back to Aptos community page and connect the Aptos wallet there. Yeah, create a wallet and connect wallet, and then you complete the survey, and now we're ready to proceed to deploy a validator node to fill the next step. Okay, here you can see. Okay, let's read the node requirements. Here are the node requirements. You can see we have to use 8-core CPUs, memory 32 GB of RAM, and storage at least 300 GB of disk space. Okay, so I will now you open a new tab and type in genies.us/contable. And I chose Contable to set up our VBS because it's quite a cheap with the no requirement. You can use this site, Cloud VBS site else, and it have 30 gig of RAM and 800 gig of SSD and 8 core CPUs that meet the requirements. So I choose the Contable. If you are already a customer of Contable, or you already have an account, or you new to Contable, when you use my link like genius.us/Contable, you will have $2 refund, $2 back, and when you fill the form below the description box. Yeah, that's it. When you buy a new one VBS, you can use this link every time. Okay, so then you hit select. Okay, now you select the Cloud VBS CL, and then you choose the term, how long you want to run this VBS. Maybe you want to go with 1 month first, and you choose the region. With US have a faster speed, then you can choose one, or you can choose Germany. The storage just 800 gig SSD. The image you choose Ubuntu 20.04. Okay, and then you choose the password. This password we will use to connect to the VBS via SSH client. Okay, and then you hit next and you order and pay, and then you will receive an email about the IP address, and that's it. You're ready to connect to the VBS server. Now let's come back to this one. Okay, let's install the nodes. In this video, I will use Docker to install this node, so we will be using Docker. Okay, first we have to connect to the VBS using SSH. So first open the terminal, the first one. Okay, hit open terminal. If you use macOS, you already have terminal in your application. And if you use Windows, you can search for Windows terminal in Microsoft Store. And then you will have your Windows terminal store. Like this. Not available. I don't know. Or you can use another app like a Putty. Here you can use download Putty and download Putty to connect to VBS using SSH client. Okay, now open terminal and using the command like SSH root add like this. I have one VBS here. Okay, and then you type the password. Okay, now you're ready to install Aptos Validator. Okay. First, you have to update your VBS. I have already written in an article about how to install this validator nodes, you can go to blog.tinanfa.com and you see this article at the front page. Okay, in this article I will guide you through all the steps how to install the validator node. Okay, how to buy a VPS cloud. Okay, first let's update the VPS server using this command. Okay, let's wait for it to finish. And then you install dependencies. Okay, let's wait. Okay, install unzip. Okay. Okay, now we will install Docker using this command. Hit enter. Okay, now install Docker Compose. Hit enter. Next, we will install Aptos CLI. Okay. And next, we create a directory for Aptos node composition and pick your username. First, we have to set this export workspace by testnet. Now we export your username. You will have to replace to another username, and this is my username. Okay, so you try another name like another one like and then you have create a new directory. Okay, and then you set it to the workspace. Yes, we have a city to the workspace. Next, we download the validator file and Docker Compose file using this command. Enter, and you can ls. You see that we have a Docker Compose and validator file in testnet folder. Next, we generate key pairs using this command. Hit enter, and then the result here we can see we have 4 files in this folder. Testnet/keys. Okay, that's fine. Very okay. Next, you can back up the private key, some private key files somewhere else, save. Yeah, that's really important if you want to establish ownership of your own node. And next, we have to open the POC using this command. Using the command. Hit enter. Hit Y. Enter. Yeah. Okay. And now you have to replace your VPS IP with your, here we can copy this out, put it to strip edit, and now you will replace with your IP address here, like just like that, and you copy back, and then you enter. Yeah, the result is success. This will create two files in this directory. You can check it out by ls. You can see this folder. You can cd to that folder 21, and you ls, and you see two files that you have created. Let's cd back to testnet folder. Next, you have to create a layout template file. Use this command, result success. And now you have to edit that layout file using this command. And then you have here, and then you replace with this. Okay, you copy out, then you, sorry, I will like, okay, and then we replace your username here, and then you just copy and you pass the whole thing to this file. Okay, that's okay, and then you pass it in, and you Control O to write down the file, and then you hit enter to save the file, and then you hit Control X to access. Okay, next you have to download Aptos framework move package using these commands, and then you already download it, then combine Genesis plot and waypoint using this command, and yeah, there you are. Next, the last thing you have to do is start your local validator by running the command below using docker compose up. After running it, you can close the terminal, but not using Ctrl+C because the container is running, so you can just close the terminal. Okay, let's go to the next step. You control docker compose up, and then you ready to go to the next step to finish the registration. If you fill the form and with the port AIT doesn't work, you can change it to 80 and fill it again. Okay, you can use this node.aptos.gvalis.com. after it's running. Okay, it's running well. Now you will check that node is running well or not by enter the IP address, copy, and then you paste it in here, and there you are, and you're ready to fill the info to this community page by signing in and filling all the info to complete this. Okay, that's it. And so if you like this video, please give me a thumb up and hit subscribe. Thank you for your watching and see you in the next video.